What's going on, everybody? It's Cam here at All Things Automotive, and today we have a 2017 Ford Expedition XLT. This is the EL, which means extended length, so it does have the third row seating. This one has a lot of gear for being an XLT that we'll go over. So first thing you notice though is the chrome grille up front. Got your integrated fog lights in the front fender, front bumper, not fender. Big 18-inch wheels on this one. The wheels look really good. Peek in there, see brakes and motors are fine. Plenty of tread left on those tires as well. It's got the full-length running boards from door to door. There you can see it says EL for your extended length. It does have a backup cam and everything underneath there. We'll get this, pop it open. It's got the electronic liftgate in the back. All kinds of extra room in the back here though, even behind the third row seating. So, plenty of room. That's your button here. Close that rear hatch. All leathered up the whole way around on this one, on all three rows. Sorry, try to get that sunlight out of there. It's a little hard to see with that in your face. AC controls and stuff in here. Actually, it's radio controls, so I think it just has rear entertainment. Maybe it does not. Never mind. But you see, it has AC controls and everything down there with a couple plugins. Keyless entry pad here on the door. Hop inside. All your electronic controls for your windows, locks, and mirrors right on the door. It does have the electronically adjustable seat with a couple presets right there. Headlight controls on the left side of the dash. Wiper controls and stuff are here on the left side behind the steering wheel. It does have your directional pad here for your new selector and stuff for your display up top. Actually, let me find the key. I just laid my paper on top of it. Oh, seats moving forward. It's part of those set seats. So there we go. Like I said, 76,000 miles on it. So like I said, it does have this directional pad here on the left side of the steering wheel that you can change your display over here to whatever you prefer to have it set to. A lot of people just like to leave the miles per hour up there, so you don't have to constantly look at this one. The right side does have a directional pad over here as well. Same thing to set this display. Actually, it's really cool whenever you have the navigation set. Right now it just shows the compass, but whenever you have a destination picked, it does tell you like distance and stuff like that to your final destination and when to turn. Doesn't actually show a little map or anything like that, but it does show you when to turn and stuff like that. So radio controls and stuff are down below that, as well as controls for your hands-free talking, and then your cruise control settings are over here on the left hand side. Over here has a rear hatch button, traction control and downhill brake assist. Does have the trailer brake controller in here as well, and your four-wheel drive selector is below that. Does have the big Ford Connect touchscreen on this one. You can see it's kind of split up, so the navigation's on the left, radio's up top, and then if you have your phone connected, it'll show you on the bottom right. Pretty nice feature to have. If you just prefer to have navigation fully blown, you can do that, or with the audio, you can do the same thing. So, does have a CD player slot below that, and then all your radio controls right here. A couple presets on your radio, as well as your media button for your sourcing as well, and then your seat button, stuff like that. Down below that, you have your heated and cooled seats for the front, and then below that is all your AC controls for the vehicle. So, got the full center console, cell phone holder or storage holder up front, a couple cup holders in the rear here as well, and then see down in the center console, pretty deep little cooling tray up top, a couple USBs and another 12-volt plug-in right there as well. Up top, you have your sunglass holders. Actually, this one is not. It's actually just like a rear view mirror. Visor into the mirror. It's illuminated. Same thing on the passenger side. Take a peek here in the glove box. You can see it's got the factory books in there. The way you guys can check everything out and how everything operates. So, steering wheel is moving. It's part of that setting. So we're going to just do a final walk around here. We try to be as transparent and upfront about everything, show you all the great things about a vehicle as well as any minor flaws it may have. So just do a little final walk around here. Just a few little marks right there. Side. Take a peek up top. Got the roof rack bars. It looks good up there. The sun is bright. Little ding right there. You can see that or not. Well, there we go, guys. If you have any questions about this Ford Expedition, please feel free to give us a call at 717-485-4224. Sales extension is 1502. If you don't have time to give us a call, you can always look us up online at allthingsautomotive.com and request information about this vehicle as well as any other one we have on a lot directly through our website. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.